I made $2,357.68 from one YouTube video. And no, the video did not have a lot of views. And no, I was not even monetized at the time. In fact, this video still to this day has under 5,000 views. Now, what's really interesting is if at that time I had known what I know now, it could have been $50,000 off of one video with 5,000 views. Now I know. So in this video, I'm going to share what I learned from these many years of experience, but there's actually something I haven't told you yet. That was only during 1 year that I had this income stream. And I had that income stream for 4 total years. Now, it didn't quite get to 50,000, but still the number is more than that. So we're going to get to that later. How I did this was I was making YouTube videos on how to market small business. And I did not have any links. I didn't have any call to actions. I was just making videos on a different channel about this topic. And what happened is I had people, I didn't even have social media. There was no way to reach out to me. And silly me again on this channel, I don't think there's any good way to reach out to me. We're working on that. You'd think I learned my lesson. Nope, I don't learn my lesson. I'm the guy, I trip, I fall on my face, I do it again 20 times, and maybe after 21 times I think, maybe I should pay attention and not trip again. But anyways, so what happened is a client really searched hard to find me and reached out to me to help him do marketing for his business, which we agreed on terms. We did the marketing. I helped him with the advertising, and I had this client for 4 years delivering a great service. And we'll get to the income I made from the total over the 4 years in a minute here. But really the main lesson learned from that is that make it easy for people to reach out, especially if you're in a niche where people can earn money. And even if it's more entertainment, just different types of consulting, just to have the clickable button where people can buy something from you. Even if you think, oh, nobody's going to buy it, there might be somebody who wants to buy it, or there might be somebody who wants to book that consulting call. As I'm making this video, I'm thinking I have to get that on this channel ASAP. But, I'll continue to learn my lesson. And eventually when I do have that, I'll think, oh, why didn't I do it sooner? I'll make another follow-up video. So it's a lesson learned that I guess I haven't learned. Now let's break down year by year what that was. I'm going to go on the screen here and show you. Okay, so for 2021, I earned, when I started this, $967.99. 2022, I earned, this was the biggest year, 2357.68, when we were really moving stuff. And this was in a couple hours a month. It's just about the skills that you have. And if you think that, oh, I don't know enough to monetize my skills, it's not always about knowing enough. Sometimes it's just about somebody who might even know more than you. Oftentimes this would be a manager or owner of a company. It's not about you having to know everything to charge them money. It's about them not having the time to do it, and it's more efficient for them to pay you to do it. If you do know more, then that's where you get into the premiums. Okay, so then year number 3 here, 2023, we earned 1511.08. And then in 2024, when eventually we parted ways because you can't have clients forever, although this was a pretty good run, just made $100 because we only serviced in, I think we ended this actually December of 23. Point of this video goes to show you that you don't need to have a crazy amount of views to make money on YouTube. You just have to deliver the right solution to the right problem for the right person. That's it. Click on the screen here for a video YouTube recommends for you, and I will see you over on that video.